Imagine this. You're part of a cleaning organization that just got new management software to use, and of course, they want you to use it too. They tell you that this system is different from all the others you've used before and will make your workday so much better. At first, you're doubtful, but you quickly realize it's the truth. JM really does make your workday better in so many ways. Janitorial Manager provides frontline workers like you with easy-to-use tools so that while you're out in the field, you can clean with confidence, knowing that all your hard work is accounted for. And with the convenience of an included app, you'll have access to all the important information you need to know any time of day or night. From payroll transparency to immediate communication tools, you can be sure that JM has your back when it comes to keeping you up to date and validating your work if any client claims otherwise. When using the JM Connect app, you'll have the ability to ensure your schedule and work hours are correct, so you get paid accurately for your hard-earned time. You'll even be able to clock in and out right from your smartphone. Now that's convenient. That's not all. JM Connect's chat features provide you with a place where your customers can share feedback, where your team can quickly catch up on what's going on, and where you can share photos and update the team on any surprises you come across in the field. Also, if there's a language barrier, you can set your chat to auto-translate to keep communication rolling. Here's the best part. How many times have you cleaned a facility on a Friday night and by Monday the place was trashed again? Is that crayon all over the wall? Now it's easy to document when you cleaned, what you did, and save pictures of the areas with timestamps, so your work is covered, documented, and easily proved. With JM Connect, gain peace of mind knowing you'll be covered in more ways than one. All these benefits and more come from the powerful and robust tools that make up Janitorial Manager and JM Connect. With both management and frontline workers trained on the tools and features, everyone's work life truly gets better.